Ever wondered why the Citizenship Amendment Act, also known as the CAA in India, sparks such fiery debates? Well, it's a complex issue with a myriad of viewpoints. Today, we're delving into some points that proponents often highlight as benefits of the CAA. Firstly, there's the protection for persecuted minorities. The CAA aims to expedite citizenship for persecuted minorities from neighbouring countries like Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan, who entered India before the last day of December 2014. Secondly, supporters view the CAA as a humanitarian gesture. They argue that it reflects India's tradition of providing refuge to persecuted communities and upholds humanitarian values. The third point is addressing historical injustices. Proponents argue that the Act corrects historical injustices faced by minority communities in neighbouring countries by granting them a pathway to citizenship in India. Fourthly, there's the promotion of regional stability. By offering citizenship to persecuted minorities, it's believed that the CAA could potentially contribute to regional stability by alleviating tensions and improving relations with neighbouring countries. Fifth, some argue that the CAA provides legal clarity. It offers a formal framework for addressing the citizenship status of specific groups, which were previously in a legal grey area. Sixth, the CAA streamlines the citizenship process for eligible individuals by providing a specific mechanism for their naturalization, thus reducing bureaucratic hurdles. The seventh point is the recognition of religious persecution. The CAA acknowledges and addresses religious persecution faced by certain communities in neighbouring countries, providing them with a pathway to safety and citizenship in India. Eighth is the preservation of cultural diversity. By welcoming persecuted minorities, the CAA contributes to preserving the cultural diversity and pluralism of India, enriching its social fabric. The ninth point is the potential boost to the economy. Supporters argue that integrating skilled and talented individuals from persecuted communities can contribute to India's economy by bringing in diverse expertise and fostering entrepreneurship. Tenth, there could be diplomatic benefits. The CAA may lead to improved diplomatic relations with countries where minorities face persecution, as it demonstrates India's commitment to protecting human rights and religious freedoms. 11th, it addresses the refugee crisis by offering a legal framework for granting citizenship to displaced individuals who have fled religious persecution in neighbouring countries. 12th, CAA proponents argue that granting citizenship to persecuted minorities enhances national security by integrating them into mainstream society and reducing the risk of radicalisation and extremism. 13th, the CAA aligns with India's international obligations and commitments to protect refugees and uphold human rights standards, as outlined in various international conventions. 14th, by providing citizenship to persecuted minorities, the CAA facilitates their social integration into Indian society, enabling them to access education, healthcare, and other essential services. Lastly, the CAA acknowledges the historical ties and shared cultural heritage between India and neighbouring countries, emphasising the need to support and protect vulnerable communities across borders. In conclusion, while the CAA is a contentious issue, its proponents argue that it offers a multitude of benefits, from humanitarian gestures and legal clarity to potential boosts to the economy and improved diplomatic relations. Remember, these are points put forth by proponents of the Act, and it's crucial to consider all perspectives when discussing such complex topics.